Hi guys, today we are gonna unbox cello pen, the joy of writing, signature and sign of success. We are gonna get a ball pen and a Rakhi.